Okay guys, I just wanted to show you, I'm going to be crafting today. I will show you my Michael's haul, but I also wanted you guys to see, I did decorate already for Christmas. So this is the living room that I have going on here and one of my trees. And then, as I did the banisters, then, don't mind the dirty kitchen, I have my little light up wreath over there. I have my little banister, and then my husband watching football. I have my tree all decorated with my children's and my husband's gifts, and we're gonna light a fire. So now I'll continue on with what I'm gonna be crafting. Oh wait, I love this part. This is my little hutch in my kitchen. I decorate it for every season. All right, now so Michael's had $2.99 on beads. So I've been selling my chunky purse charms on Etsy again. Actually, I just opened up my shop, and then all of a sudden I said, oh, let me just put them up, because they don't really go at the craft fairs because people, you know, don't really know what they are, what to do with them. So I purchased, so anyway, I sold out of my 5 chunky charms, and I'm going to make 2 more. One in purple, so I bought those. All the beads were $2.99 each, so whether they were brown, green, red, or what's the other one, gold? I don't know. So I got all of these for my purple one. What else was I going to put in this? Oh yes, I was going to put the beer. And I wanted to put of my other ones. So this is going to be for my purple chunky charm, and I purchased 2 of these to go at the bottom of each. So that's going to go at the bottom, make it a little bit of a winter theme. So both of these are going to go. So that's for my purple chunky charm. Now my pink chunky charm is going to have this. I love these. I put these on, I can't get enough of these. I wish I could buy these in bulk. These are these white or pink? Oh, no. These are going over here. These are going on my purple. My pink ones are going on the pink chunky charm. And then I got these because I like to have a lot of different beads. Those. Sorry, these go, actually I could split these between the both of them. I don't know. And then the clear crystal, glass crystal, and this to go on the bottom. I also got more jump rings and more head pins. I like the large ones because it really allows you to put a lot of beads on it. And my chain, bead caps I'm going to share with the both of them. Now I could not find any of those lobster claw clasps because I just haven't been making my chunky charms in a while. So I found these, and I'm just going to cut the bottoms off. People use these chunky charms as window ornaments, or on their bags, or as a sun catcher. So no matter where you put it, I mean, it doesn't matter because all you need is a hook. So I figured that'll do. And in addition to that, I have been making some, well, I have to open them up. Maybe I'll do this off camera. Hold on. Hi. Thanks to our lovely friend Lori, I still had some of my purple beads. She had gifted me a box of these glass beads that she bought from an online store. So me and Marianne have been digging into them for the past year now. So I was able to find 3 strands of purple and 3 strands of pink and a cream color. So we're going to add those. These are really going to be chunky. Okay. Now I will show you my other little adventure. Okay, so I purchased these crystals, and they are the healing crystals that you use on pendants, and I'm going to be making these available. I'm making necklaces from these, and I always like to support small businesses, so I actually purchased all these beautiful chains, and they are stainless steel with 14 karat gold on top, coated or whatever. And so I will show you guys. Let me just open these so you guys can see. Okay, so this one is rose quartz. And this one is another rose quartz, but I think it's just lighter. This one is amethyst. And another amethyst. It's kind of hard to see inside the little plastic baggies. And I forgot what these were. I think this is, I forgot, I have to look at the label, and they're going to be going on the chains, but I'm also going to be putting other little embellishments. And then I got these from the same seller. Okay, so I got the other one open, and these are all sterling silver bales, not sterling silver, but silver tone bales with, they all range in different colors, because with amethyst you can't always get the same. These are natural stones. And these are, what are these called? I don't know. It's the green stone. I forgot what the green one is called. And these are supposed to be a kind of like a jersey, but not really. Oh, look how unique that is. Wow. Almost looks like a cavity. All right. I don't know if I really like that, but maybe someone would like it. I don't know. See the jersey over here? And the blue. This is not lapis. I know that's too light. And the purple. These are all made from one of the stones. I forgot. I think they just color them. And yeah, that was it. Oh, and another blue. Oh, this is nice. What a gold veil. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna put this on I don't know, because I don't really like how that looks. Although some people like the earthy tone, I don't know. We'll see. So this is my little thing that I'm doing on my Etsy shop, as well as just sold this chunky charm. And that's it. It's funny because I priced out what I spent at Michael's today, and it was like $88 to make 2 chunky charms. Oh God, but I enjoy making them. So all right guys, now I am going to start working and crafting, and then I will show you guys the final product. Okay, so here are all my bead dangles for the chunky charm. Actually, this is probably a chunky charm, and here are the ones that I made with the little crystal dangles off of the bead dangles. So now I'm gonna go and do all my pink ones for my pink chunky charm. Okay guys, and here are my pink ones with the little dangles. So I have my purple and my pink ones, and now I'm going to be putting them on the chains. This takes me a good hour and a half to 2 hours per charm, but I love it. Okay, so this is how this one looks. I finished my purple one. And I put all the little dangles. I loved it. Love it. And now I'm going to do my pink one. Here is the pink one. This one's really chunky, like on the top. It's shorter, but like stouter, chunkier. And my purple one is longer. Like if you look at the difference, it's longer, but also chunky. Okay, so this is what I did today. Thanks for watching, guys. It was like 3 hours, although because of the video, you know. All right, have a great Sunday. Bye.